Hello, my name is Julia. The panda. Status: endangered because of habitat destruction. Physical description: it is a carnivorous mammal. It is very big. It has got a dark hair around the eyes, shoulders, and limbs. It has got the oval Arab ears. Food: it eats bamboo. Habitat: he lives in the forest. Abilities: it can climb trees, but it can't run. A fun fact: it has got 6 fingers in the manner of the thumb. Do you know the weight beard? 90 to 130 grams. Hello, my name is Paul.
Hello, my name is Arnau,
Hello, my name is Jan.
and our endangered animal is the tiger.
Status: endangered because of habitat destruction and hunting and poaching. Physical description: it is the biggest feline in the world. It has got a long tail and a good camouflage with its orange, black, white stripes.
Food: it eats wild boar and deer. Abilities: it can run very fast, but it can die. Fun fact: the tiger is the guardian of the jungle, and he can run at 18 kilometers per hour.
Do you know 29th of July is the day of the tiger?
Gènere, Una and Raya. Name of animal, hedgehog.
Status: endangered because polluted and traffic on the place.
Physical description. It has got about 600 characteristics around the body. It's brown and a small mammal.
Food: it eats bugs and light insects, worms, beetles, roots, and new plants. Habitat: it lives in the countryside. Abilities: it can make a bull with his body and fur, but it can fly. Fun facts: the hedgehog sees in yellow.
Do you know the baby hedgehog measures about 4 fingers? Hedgehogs are praised for the foxes, eagles, owls, etc.
Thanks for listening. My name is Mikel.
My name is Mark and my name is Ilan.
We present the snow leopard.
Leopard.
Status: endangered because of hunting and poaching. Physical description: it is very fast. It has got white and black lines. Food: it eats animals. Its favorite food is meat. Sushi as animals like rabbits, foxes, deer. Habitat: he lives in the Central and South Asia in the high mountains.
Ability: it can climb up trees. It can support the weather of the cold climate, but it can support the climate of the desert. Fun. Do you know with a snow leopard is found in 30 countries? Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, India, and Mongolia.
Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Aran.
Hello, my name is Karal.
Hello, my name is Ainhoa. And I present you the author. A status:
Endangered because pollution of the rivers. Physical description. It is a small animal, a small mammal. It has got a long tail and it has got a brown fur.
Habitat. It habited in the rivers of Australia, Galicia, and Extremadura. Food. Its fish
Abilities. It can swim very fast and it can breathe inside the water. Fun facts. The otter is the king of carnivore and herbivore.
Hello, my name is Anna. And my name is Laura. And is a tortoise. The turtle is endangered because of pollution and habitat restriction. Physical description. It is small. It is green, brown and yellow. It has got a tail. It has got a nose small. Food. It is green, fresh leaf. Habitat. It lives in the sea but to live in the floor. Ability. It can swim but I can run. Fun fact. The tortoise can live 100 years old. Do you know? They have existed for more than 100 million years.
Endangered animals diorama. My team, Adele Michael. Name of animal, dolphin. Status, endangered because of polluting on sea and oceans and shooting. Physical description. It is mentioned to an status. Food is it a fish endangered diorama. Endangered animal diorama. My team. Adam.
My name is Rainbow.
My name is Nico.
Status. Cyber. Status. Endangered because hunting and poaching. Destruction.
Physical description. It is a big mammal and it's strong, carnivore. It has got black and orange and white stripes.
Food. It eats meat, fish.
Habitat. It lives in jungle and savanna of Asia.
Abilities. It can swim very well and climb in the trees fast.
It can fly.
Fun facts. Tiger can reach speed 18 kilometers per hour.
You know, that's where the tiger is weak in is very serious and key to charge the place estimate.
Hello, my name is Julia and my endangered animal is a polar bear. The polar bear is endangered because of pollution and climate change. The reasons, of course, is melting. It has got a long neck, a relatively small feet, a short front ears, a short tail, and white fur on its body. It eats insect seals and beetles. The polar bear lives in the Arctic. It can reach speeds of up to 6 meters per 8 in the water and 4 kilometers per hour on Earth. Less than 2% of polar bears hunt are successful. Polar bears use sea ice as a platform to hunt seals. Polar bears have black skin and white skin, and although their fur appears white, it is actually transparent.